Hello, I'm Naomi and today I'm going to be planting Amaryllis. Amaryllis are perfect for planting in pots indoors where they'll provide a bright splash of colour with their big impressive blooms during the winter. They're really wonderful living decoration during the festive season and they make great gifts too. This is an Amaryllis bulb. As you can see, they're really huge and they're extremely easy to grow, and once you plant this it should be flowering within about 8 to 10 weeks. So first of all, this is my pot. I've chosen a pot which is just about big enough to fit the bulb with about 1 inch of space all the way around the bulb. They quite like to be confined, so this is perfect. And also they do like good drainage, so you need to have a drainage hole in the bottom and then just a tray to sit it on so the water doesn't pour out of the bottom all over your surfaces. And also because they like drainage, I'm going to add some gravel to the bottom of the pot. So first of all, I'll just put this big stone over the top of the drainage hole just so the stones don't wash out and plug up that hole. And I'll add about 1 inch of gravel to the bottom. That'll do. Now the easiest way to plant these is to add a layer of compost and then sit the bulb on top of that and then pack more compost around the sides. So I've got ordinary multi-purpose compost here, and I'll just put 1 inch or 2 in the bottom of the pot. When the bulb is planted, it needs to have the neck exposed. So I usually plant it so it's 3/4 planted and 1/4 exposed. So if I just sit that on the surface of the compost, that's about right. And now I just need to fill in the sides with some more compost. Can be a little bit fiddly, but we'll get there. Now this ordinary multi-purpose compost will be just fine for this bulb. So just pack it in quite tight, so push down around the bulb as you go. You want it to be nice and firm, and then just keep topping it up. That's about right. I'll just firm that down one more time. As you can see, the top of the bulb there is just showing. So that's 3/4 planted, 1/4 of the bulb exposed. Now all that needs is a good drop of water. And that will really get it started. Just pour that all around the bulb. Now they don't like to be soggy, as I said they like good drainage, but they do need to be kept hydrated while they're growing. And that's all you need to do really, just position it in a nice bright space in a warm part of your home and that'll start to grow. Within a few weeks you should start to see a green shoot emerging out the top, and then it'll be well on its way. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching my video about Amaryllis, and I hope you enjoy growing your own.